Hello. Today we will be making an elephant. So let's see, what do we have in our book? We see a huge figure right here. Yes, it's an elephant. So let's see what are the steps required for this and start making it. At first, let's make a circle. And then make a curve like this for the trunk. Let's make a very light tusk and then the nice big ear. After that, make a curve and make the body in a circular motion. And then let's make a tail. Yes, just a line for the tail at first. After that, we will make lines for the legs. And then join the body with the face or the tusk. Continue making the legs like this. And look, the first step is done. We are ready with the skeleton of our elephant. The next thing we do is try and make it a little darker and fair. Yes, let's start this together. Make a few waves for the beautiful ear. Look at that, the ear looks big, right? Let's make it in the same way. Once we are done with this, let's make a nice face. Yes, make the intricate details right here. And then we will make the wrinkles as well as the eyes. If you notice, an elephant's skin is very thick and it has a lot of wrinkles on it. So let's make this together. That's amazing. Once we are done with that, we will start by making the body. Let's make the cute little tail and then go ahead by making the leg. Let's make the legs together. Yes, we need to go very slow while making them. Try and not make a mistake. The leg needs to be a little fatter at the bottom. Yes, just like how we are making here. And then let's make the final fourth leg right here. Don't forget to make its nails, okay? That's beautiful. And look, our entire elephant is ready. Let's erase all the parts which are not required and then start coloring this. Well, but before that, what are we doing? Yes, sketching this. So let's start sketching this with our black sketch pen. Yes, by now you know how to do it. It's a very simple process. You have to take your black sketch pen and start drawing right on top of the pencil marks. Sketching can help you highlight the intricate details in a drawing. So make the most of it and make a beautiful elephant right here. That's amazing. Meanwhile, you can also think of his name. Yes, why don't you give him a name? That'll be lovely. Complete sketching the entire elephant in a similar way. And then make these details right here. Yes, as I told you, a lot of wrinkles on its body. Once we are done with that, we can start erasing this. Let's erase it now. Yes, all the extra pencil marks we see. Well, we've left the bottom part of the tail. Do you know why? Because we are going to do that with a pencil crayon. Yes, it is going to give us a beautiful texture. This looks amazing. Once we are done with this, we can keep our pencil colors aside and get our crayons right here. Well, we are going to do this entire thing with the help of crayons. At first, take a very light brown and just do a few spaces with it. Yes, we will try blending very light brown and grey together for a few body parts. After that, let's take grey color and do it right on top of it. This is going to give us a darker shade of color which will look very beautiful. Once we are done with that, let's take a darker shade of grey and start doing the outline. Go very slow while doing the outline. And then try and blend in this color with the previous grey we used. Do the outline slowly and nicely. That'll be lovely. And now let's take another grey, which is a lighter grey, and blend this color with it. This looks interesting, isn't it? Let's blend the colors together. Yes, by pressing the color hard on top of the paper and coloring. Blend it with your fingers or with the help of a tissue paper. This looks amazing. Continue coloring on top of the face now. That's brilliant. Give it a little bit of a brown shade here. This looks very interesting. This looks like a beautiful shade, isn't it? That's lovely. Highlight all of these lines and wrinkles with the help of your pencil now. Yes, it will make our drawing look attractive. This is great. Complete all the lines in a similar way. That's brilliant. Give it a nice finishing touch up now. That's beautiful.